Welcome to Skill Finder AI, a secure, multi-agent curriculum platform powered by Gemini and built on the Google Agent Development Kit. Skill Finder AI is designed to help developers and students generate structured, 4-week learning paths for any skill while ensuring absolute safety. As you see on the screen, the interface features a premium glassmorphic dashboard with a live graph execution visualizer and a persistent cache registry. When a user requests a skill, like Python programming, the query is first analyzed by our shift-left security bouncer agent. The bouncer protects against prompt injections and blocks hazardous requests. Once approved, the system crawls the web for high-quality resources and passes them to the Pathfinder agent, which structures a comprehensive 4-week curriculum. Each week is organized into foundations, guided practice, applied simulations, and a capstone project, which you can easily navigate using the interactive tabs. You can also export the curriculum directly as a presentation-ready Markdown file. If a hazardous request is detected, such as hacking, the security bouncer immediately intercepts it, flags the risk, and steers the user toward a safe educational alternative, like cybersecurity fundamentals. Finally, our intelligent cache registry saves previous runs, allowing you to reload your custom learning maps instantly without any AP latency. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of Skill Finder AI, your secure companion for learning and skill development.